Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix PC randomly freezing and lagging on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your PC is randomly freezing or lagging, then I will show you some of the steps. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. First, you just need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type %a temp% and hit enter. You need to select all these files, just right click on that and click on delete. Some of the files may not be deleted because they are currently in use, so just tick mark this option and skip that files. After doing this, just close this window and you need to empty your recycle bin also. For that you just need to click on start menu, type here recycle bin, click on recycle bin and empty your recycle bin from here. Click continue and close this window. After doing this and do this second step, just click on start menu, then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to type on command sfc /scan now and hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of this, just close this window. Do the third step, click on start menu, click on settings, click on Windows update, click on resume update. If there is any update pending, just update it from here. After completion of this Windows update, just close this window and you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys, so in this way you can fix PC randomly freezing and lagging on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.